it's exactly what I had hoped for. I think throughout the process, you get an idea like this and you wonder, is it going to turn out like you had envisioned it? And so I think this is exactly what I'd envisioned. The original idea came from a YouTube video called Kane's Arcade. It's an old video about a kid who made his own cardboard arcade at his dad's auto parts store to entertain himself. So when we got the STEM class here that I started teaching, I thought I should try this again and see how it works at the middle school. We initially started with this one right here. Everyone made a labyrinth, and that was our first kind of guided intro project. And from there, their second project for the quarter was make your own arcade games. And I showed them a few videos for some ideas, and then I just set them loose.
I made foosball. It's just a recreation of foosball but with cardboard, two-player little soccer game. And it's a bunch of pictures of our science teacher, Mr. Lynch, on the little players. And it was kind of like a, well, what can we do that no one else is doing? I don't want to just do normal arcade game. Why not, foosball, tabletop little soccer game. Right, everyone likes foosball. Who doesn't like foosball? I really want to say we had plans, but we were kind of going with the flow as we went. We knew what we needed, and we knew, we needed the box, and we needed, walls. And then from there, it was kind of like, okay, how far do we want these spaced out? Getting the characters actually on the little sticks and stuff was kind of a challenge, because it was like, we need to have them, spaced apart so they don't, get stuck on a wall. We had to cut out, each little piece, and we had to make sure they're all, the same, and it's and so it took like a whole day to get all the characters made. I feel amazing about the final result. It works exactly how I wanted it to. It is, I love my little game that that I made. Everyone was coming around, playing my game. It was awesome.
I thought it was pretty amazing. A couple of the more complex ones, they did them off of videos that they were following kind of some ideas, some plans. But like the pinball machine and the claw machine, I wondered if we were actually going to be able to pull that off, because there's some real engineering there. There's some complex mechanisms that they had to put together.